This is my first time to use a Huawei products or a Huawei tablet rather, and I am a little bit excited to share it with you. Hello everyone, once again this is Mel and welcome to RamabelleTV. We are going to unbox a Huawei Matepad new, and this is the 4GB RAM and 128 ROM of internal storage. And without further ado, let's go for an unboxing and let us see what is inside of this box. So let us see what is inside this bag of Huawei. Okay, labas natin naman. The Huawei Matepad. And Huawei Smart Keyboard. And the receipt. So tabi muna natin ang resibo. So let us open this first. Alisin muna natin ang plastic. Okay, buksan na natin. So here is the tablet. So built-in ang kanyang battery. What's this? Okay, set aside muna natin. And then ang kanyang charger. Type C. Oops. At the type C cable. So pagtugtungin natin. Oops. And then warranty card and documents. At andito ang eject pin or eject pin. Okay. So and also it has a Type C 3.5 audio adapter, which is the earphone dongle, this one. So this is free. By the way, the color of this tablet is midnight black. Ang ganda ng kulay. And it is already Wi-Fi 6 certified. So mabilis ang kanyang internet. And let us open this Huawei Smart Keyboard. By the way, this is free. So ito ang kanyang pinaka-freebies. So let us open this one. It is also black. And there is also instruction here on how to use the keyboard. And by the way, this is a magnetic keyboard. Oops, sorry. So buksan natin ito. So meron pa rin warranty card at mga documents. And let's try this one. So this is magnetic, kaya didikit siya dyan. Ayan. So sobrang dikit. By the way, so kailangan naka-open ang Bluetooth para magamit natin ang keyboard. Okay, let's try this keyboard. Tayo, lobat na yan. Oh, I see. So, by the way, china-charge din po itong keyboard niya. So, according dun sa salesman na nabilhan namin sa Huawei MOA. So, bali, i-charge mo ito ng 1 hour. Itong keyboard. And also, yung tablet niya, na-try ko nang i-charge. So, ang sabi is 1.5 hours. So, tama nga naman. Nung chinarge ko ito kagabi, umabot talaga siya ng 1.5 hour. By the way, if you are going to purchase this magnetic keyboard, so sa nakita ko sa Shopee, it is worth 5,977 pesos, yung original. At may kasamang shipping fee na 249 pesos. So aabot siya ng 6,226 if you are going to purchase this magnetic keyboard. Naka-off pala, that's why you have to put it on over here. So let us see. Try natin mag-type using this magnetic keyboard. Hello. Ano na? This is only a sample. So mabilis. By the way, this is a 10.4 display, this one. And this is IPS touchscreen. And the resolution is 2000 by 1000. The screen is designed with rounded corners, as what you see. Ito. Ang kanyang OS is MIUI 10.1 based on Android 10.0. At ang memory nito is 4 gigabytes and 128 ROM. So this is expandable to 512 gigabytes. And the camera is 8MP for the rear cam and 8MP ultra wide for the selfie camera. So let us see the camera. Okay, that is rear. And let us see dun sa 8. Nakita ang camera. Okay, so meron din siyang beauty mode. And the battery is 7,250 mAh. At ang charging time is, as what I have said, it is 1.5 hour. Fast charging 18 watt. And ang kanyang speaker, it has a 4 speaker. So 1, 2, dito pa sa taas, 3, and 4. And by the way, as what I have said, it has no headphone jack. So kailangan natin gamitin ng earphone dongle, this one. So let's try this one. Try natin ang ating headset. Okay. So let us try and hear the sound. So yan, maganda ang tune. By the way, this version has no SIM card slot compared to the 4 gigabytes and 64 gigabytes version of Huawei Matepad. See you again on my next vlog. At I have to share some of the important specs or exciting features of this tablet, and of course the camera also. By the way, this is worth 18,999 pesos at Huawei store in Mall of Asia. Thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, RamabelleTV, and click the notification bell for you to be notified to our next video. Thank you very much, and God bless. Stay safe.